Hi, for this video what we're going to do is we are going to graph by getting it into slope-intercept form, and then we will graph. So in order to get it into slope-intercept form, you must first get it y by itself. Remember that slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So with this, what we're going to do is get y by itself. So in order to have y by itself, we must first move this 3x to the other side. Remember that any time an expression changes sides, it changes sign. So since this is a positive 3x, it would become a negative 3x when we move it to the other side. And then we need to get y completely by itself. So to do that, what we would do is we would divide everything by 2. Make sure that you divide all terms by 2. And I would leave your slope as an improper fraction. So this is going to be negative 3/2 x plus 2. Now we have it in slope-intercept form, and so it's easy to graph. Remember that we always start at our y-intercept. So this is where we start. And that's always going to go on the y-axis. So we're going to go to where y is 2, and that's going to be our starting point. We then are going to use the slope to find the next point. So with this, because it is negative, remember that anytime that you have negatives, you have to do one negative direction and one positive direction. So since our top number is 3, I'm going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to turn and go right 2. So this would be our next point. If you wanted to, you could go the other direction as well, but it goes off of my graph, so I'm not going to go that way. If you wanted to have another one this way, you could also go down 3 and over 2. But because it doesn't fit on my grid, I'm just going to go with 2 points for this one. But just remember that with negative slope, you have to do one positive direction and one negative direction. So you can either go down and right, or you can go up and back. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please just let me know.